Ever wondered about the origins of that special day held annually on the second Sunday of May dedicated to celebrating our dear mothers? Today we delve into the fascinating history of Mother's Day. In the earlier times, honoring mothers often took the form of festivals dedicated to mother goddesses. We see this in the Phrygian festival of Cybele, the great mother of the gods, to the Greeks and Romans honoring the mother figure of their gods. And even today's Durga Puja in India celebrates Goddess Mother Durga. Fast forward to the United States in the 19th century, where three women played pivotal roles in establishing the traditional Mother's Day: Anne Reeves Jarvis, Julia Ward Howe, and Anne's daughter, Anna Jarvis. Surprisingly, these women celebrating Mother's Day were activists advocating for children's welfare, health, and peace. The roots of Mother's Day in the US trace back to the years before Civil War when Anne Reeves Jarvis in West Virginia initiated the Mother's Day work clubs to educate women in childcare. These clubs eventually became a unifying force for the Civil War divided region. In 1868, Jarvis organized Mothers' Friendship Day, a gathering of mothers with former Union and Federate soldiers to come up with reconciliation. Another precursor to Mother's Day was the Mother's Day proclamation by abolitionist Julia Howard Howe. In 1870, Howe called mothers to act to unite mothers to promote world peace. And by 1873, she campaigned for a Mother's Peace Day to be celebrated every June 2nd. Mother's Day pioneers also include Julia Calhoun Blakely, a temperance activist who inspired Mother's Day in Michigan. In the 1870s, the duo of Mary Taz Cecine and Frank Herron organized Mother's Day in the late 19th and the earlier 20th century. Some even called Herring the father of Mother's Day. However, the official Mother's Day holiday didn't emerge until the 1900s, thanks to the efforts of Anna Jarvis, daughter of Anne Reeves Jarvis. After her mother's death in 1905, Anna conceived Mother's Day as a very way of honoring the sacrifices mothers make for the sake of their children. With financial backing from a Philadelphia department store owner named John Wanamaker in May 1908, she organized the first official Mother's Day celebration as a Methodist church in Grafton, Virginia. Following the initial success, Jarvis, unmarried and childless her whole life, resolved to see a holiday for Mother's Day added to the national calendar. She initiated a massive letter writing campaign with newspapers and prominent politicians urging the adoption of a special day honoring mothers. Her efforts bore fruit in 1914 when President Woodrow Wilson signed a measure officially establishing the second Sunday in May as Mother's Day. So, next time you are making that special phone call to your mom for Mother's Day, remember the rich history and remarkable women who fought to have this day recognized. Indeed, this is more than just a day, it is a testament to the enduring love and sacrifices of mothers. We bow to all of them.